Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey Bills, what's up? And welcome back. So today we'll be checking out the MSP2. I have seen it for a bit, like I've not really seen it, but technically I already kind of started with it. But the problem is that like you can't literally change the face. You can't change the face. It's really annoying. Like you low-key can't even change the face. So, yes, I guess I'll have to deal with this. I'm gonna cry. Comment down below if you know how to change the face. Okay, so now we're gonna get on with the body, the shirt. Okay, so for the shirt, which one is better? Honestly, I'm a tote noob at this game right now. Okay, so I'm thinking I'll keep the shirt. It's really nice. You really like it. And now I'll pick pants. Oh my god, we have the same thing on MSP, same pants. And then now I want to take this off. Wait. Okay. So I just want it to be simple white, and I want to take this off. Take it off. We'll see how that will be like. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. I really do not like the face right now. Like, how? Okay, and of course I'm gonna be calling it Billy 1232. Continue. Okay, sorry if this is in French because technically I'm using the school computers and it's technically in French because I actually go to French school. So, joue en sécurité, n'utilise pas jamais ton vrai nom. Okay, Billy. Ooh, how about this? Eilish. Billie Eilish and then just the heart thing job. Billie Eilish and then that. Oh my god! Ugh, that's annoying. Okay, so oh, why don't we do Lainey? 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Hope for the best. This is taking long, so I'm gonna tell you when I get to it. Sorry, now I am on it. Oh my god, yay! Whatever, suivant, whatever. If you don't know what that means go back, whatever. What is it called? I don't even know, to be honest. So, okay. Wow, yay. Just to let you know, this is not my age. Don't get me. Okay, so I don't know what. Oh yeah, I have to do my password. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna like take this off. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna tell you when I got it. So yay, accepted, yay, whatever. Okay, have success. Ooh, I got 500 coins. Ooh, I love how that just went like that. You don't have to do anything. Wait, how do you move? Okay, yeah, you just press on it. It's like, I'm totally noob on this game. So we could check out more stuff right now, but let me go to the boutique. Whatever. And, let's see what we can wear right now. Okay, so I am not liking the face. And I don't know how we could honestly change it. It just does not want to work. And I'm just crying. Oh my god, I actually do love this. Put 650 coins. I don't know how to get coins on this game. Okay. Please help me. So, what? How do we get our, okay. Wait a minute. Wait. I think I was able to actually do my hair. Let's make another account. Wait, sorry. By the way, subscribe to Melville MSP, my favorite MSP YouTuber. So, let's just start MSP beta. I'm savage. Sorry about that. So, yes. Yes! So I'm gonna pause and tell you when I'm done and tell you if I figured out how to do it. I did it! Yes, okay, I'm so happy because I won't. No, that's way too light. Like that. I don't like the shape of the face. Ah. Okay. Okay, I'm definitely going with these lips. And I am definitely gonna change the color of them. Thingy, God, whatever. So I actually do like that. I'm gonna keep it like a little rosy, blah blah. I do like these eyelashes. Okay. I'm gonna go with the blue. Kind of like bluish. I was gonna say that actually looked good, but like, wait first. Wait. Okay, no. I'll just go with that. Oh my. I do not like that. I do not like the shape of the face. I'm definitely gonna go with this. That's really pretty. I like that. And, now I'll do the nose. Yes, this is some good nose. And, wait. Are you able to get freckles or something? You're able to get freckles. Oh my god, I love how they could do this. Okay, I'm definitely going for these ones. And I don't feel like doing that because it's already good. And I am gonna get to the hair. Yay, I'm so happy because before it did not work for me. So, nah. This is what I actually usually go for, but I do really like this. But I'm gonna tell you when I'm done getting the outfit. So, I'm done with my character. Okay, wait, I don't want this. This, I honestly love the look. Like, just look at it. So, yes, I'm gonna do my username and stuff, and I'm gonna tell you when I'm done again. Yay, so, I'm honestly so happy I got my character. Wait, what? Why can't I move? Okay, yes. Finally! So, I'm just gonna go shopping. Yeah, let's go shopping because I actually have 1,250. I don't know why I got that, but yeah, let's go shopping. My god, I honestly love this hair. I'm gonna buy it. It's honestly so flawless. I've seen it on like, wait, have I bought it? Oh yes, I've bought it. Every single time you level up, you get 200 star coins. That's amazing. Everybody needs that. So why don't we let's chat with some people? Wait, so I'm gonna check out the wait, I'm gonna check out this. The hype. Oh my god, no, I do not like that. Sorry, I do not like it. I'm just gonna do the wave. How about that? That's pretty cute. Oh my god, I do love that. Oh my. How about this? How about this? I'm about to buy that. I'm gonna buy it. Hello? I bought you. Okay. I do love that. So, there's a studio, so why don't we get to that? And that's probably going to be the end of the video. So actually, why don't we make one? Because I can only have 5 minutes left for this video, and it only goes for 15 minutes. Please tell me, Claire and look. Sorry. So please tell me if you have a better thingamajig to do these stuff. I do love that. Should I do this? No, I'm gonna do this. Honestly, my fave. Who still says that? Honestly, my fave. Yes. And like, yes. No, I need it. No, sorry. It's just I'm using the school computers. Yes. Okay. Nope. Don't look. Okay, that means name your luck. Because I'm using school computers and I go to French school. So look at me. So ouch, my arm's hurting. Ow. So I'm gonna name it Lainey. Name it Lainey. And if you may be wondering, how did I get that name from? Actually, I used to have an account called Lainey Heart Thingy, and someone actually hacked it, and me and my sister were just like, give it back, give it back, give it back. We were literally at them. We were saying that we will tell the what are they called? The policeman, stuff like that. And if you don't do it, well, and you're gonna go to juvie because this is illegal. And after that, yeah. And then she deleted the account because she was scared. Well, so technically that's it with the video. Bye.